Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. You are looking at a very, very nice little 2014 Ford F550. Nice heavy-duty truck. Regular cab. It's got a nice little, looks like maybe about a 12-foot body on it here. These are steel, they're not wood, so that's kind of cool. It's got a power liftgate on back. And one thing I like, even with the power liftgate, still has a receiver hitch on it. So that's kind of cool. And it also has a steel deck. Boy, I tell you what, we're just about ready to load this up and just make a little run to the junkyard. But if you want those worn out flat tires, you can have them too. How about that? So it's a Tommy gate. It's about the original thing that you can get. 100% functional. Everything on it has always worked the way it's supposed to. Solid, solid truck. Tires are decent on it. Of course, there's a solid, just nice. Oh, reading. So it's a good body right there, solid decking on it. There's your serial number. And of course, clean. Look at this thing. Look at the interior, the upholstery, the headliner on it. This is a nice truck. There's no wear on the floorboards, power locks and windows. All the good stuff. Everything you're supposed to have. It's got the little lights on the mirrors there. Hey, it's even got a little light bar on top. No damage to the grill. It's got the front tow hooks on it right there. Super clean little truck. Nice little truck. So, 2014. And it's got the little console there. You can slide that console up if you want to put a third passenger in there. So that's kind of nice. Got the overhead dome lights and all that kind of good stuff. It does have steering wheel with the radio information in it. And let's see here. It looks like you've got tilt wheel on it right down there. Cruise control is right there. On, resume, set, all that kind of good stuff. Ooh, that air conditioning feels really nice. It's low 90s here and almost the same on humidity in Tennessee today. That has an MP3 player and a factory CD player. Air conditioning is right there. Looky. That's got a factory trailer brake assembly on it. And I'm going to just turn the lights off. And I suppose I should close the door. And that will tell us, with any luck, still telling me I'm almost out of fuel apparently here. Come on. $54,229 miles. 104 degrees. That's got to be just in the sunshine here because it normally doesn't get that light. 54,000 mile truck, and looky, what do I see down here? My goodness gracious, she's even four-wheel drive. So it's a 2014 50,000 mile four-wheel drive 550 series. Factory trailer brake, working air conditioning, cruise control, such a nice little truck. Notice there's no check engine lights. There's none of that weird dumb stuff you have to worry about. And locks and windows. It's got the whole 9 yards. Such a nice truck. I always like the steel decking in the body rather than the wood decks. Front tires aren't going to go a while yet. I don't think you have to do anything to this truck. I think you take that truck home, probably change oil in it and put it in your fleet and drive it. That's a 2014 Ford F550, 12-foot metal stake body with liftgate. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. It's HD Trucks and Equip, 602-510-5444. And this truck is located in Henderson, Tennessee. And once again, I thank you very much for looking.